Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about cybersecurity tools and technologies. This is a topic that is very important in today's world, as cyber attacks are becoming more and more common.
Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems and networks from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. It is a broad field that includes a wide range of tools and technologies.
Some of the most common cybersecurity tools include antivirus software. This software helps to protect your computer from viruses and other malware. Antivirus software works by scanning your computer for known malware signatures. If it finds a match, it will quarantine or delete the malware file. Firewalls. These devices help to block unauthorized access to your computer network. Firewalls work by filtering incoming and outgoing network traffic. They can be configured to block traffic from specific IP addresses or ports. Intrusion detection systems. These systems monitor your network for signs of attack. Intrusion detection systems work by looking for patterns of malicious activity. If they detect something suspicious, they will generate an alert.
Data loss prevention systems. These systems help to prevent sensitive data from being lost or stolen. Data loss prevention systems work by monitoring your network for sensitive data. If they detect data that is being sent to an unauthorized location, they will block the transfer. Identity and access management systems. These systems help to control who has access to your computer systems. Identity and access management systems work by assigning permissions to users and groups. This helps to ensure that only authorized users have access to sensitive data. In addition to these common tools, there are a number of other cybersecurity technologies that are available. Some of these newer technologies include artificial intelligence. AI is being used to develop new ways to detect and prevent cyber attacks. AI can be used to identify patterns of malicious activity that would be difficult for humans to detect. Blockchain. Blockchain is a secure way to store data that is resistant to tampering. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that records transactions in a way that makes it very difficult to change or hack. Quantum computing. Quantum computing has the potential to break current encryption methods. Quantum computing is a type of computing that uses quantum bits, or qubits, to process information. Qubits can be in multiple states at the same time, which gives quantum computers the potential to solve problems that are impossible for classical computers. Cybersecurity is a complex and ever-changing field. It is important to stay up to date on the latest threats and technologies in order to protect your computer systems. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on cybersecurity. Like this video if you found it helpful. Share this video with your friends and family.